Right, Bismillah. So again, we want to start today, inshallah, with revising Module 7 and the geometry. And on Sunday, we'll continue Module 1 and Module 2. Because I know that you have English exams, so it will not take so long today. Fine. Let me share the screen with the revision sheet. Fine. Bismillah. Okay, so this is quarter 1 revision. The material covered. This is our part. So our plan is to take today this part, which is starting from equations, 7.1 equations until 11.2. This we'll take this on Saturday today. خلاص. And the second part from 1.1 until 2.4 is on Sunday, inshallah, before the exam. خلاص. Fine. So quickly, let's go to module 7. Just a second. Let me get the sheet.
Hi, Mister.
Hi, Yasin. How's everything?
Fine.
Alhamdulillah. Fine. From Coursera. Just a second. Bismillah. I'm just opening the revision sheet. Type. So again, let me share screen. So now this is quarter 1 revision. Let's go to module 7 directly. Here it is. Type. Remember, in module 7, we want to keep the balance of the equation. We want to keep what? The balance of the equation. Whatever happens on one side, we should do the same thing on the other side. And then we simplify the equation. Fine. So step number 1, 7.1. This is 7.1. Who remembers what do? We try to use this code, the CI, distribute if I have a bracket, combine the like terms and isolate the variables from the constants, letters from numbers. So now, do I have distributing? No. So I will go to combining like terms. Where are the like terms? 3y and 4y. These are the like terms. So 3y and 4y are the like terms. So we want to combine them together. What will happen? Minus 4y left-hand side, minus 4y right-hand side. And then the 4y will cancel with 4y. Right. Next, what will happen? 3 minus 4, negative 1y. Plus 1, I still have plus 1. Equals, what do you have on the right-hand side? Negative 6. Isolate, I have letters, and I still have numbers. Positive 1, I should move to the right-hand side with negative. So negative 1 right, negative 1 left. What will happen? The ones will cancel. Negative 6, negative 1, add, negative, add, negative 7 equals negative y. The last step, divide by negative 1 left-hand side, divide by negative 1 right hand side. Why did I divide by -1? To get rid of this negative sign. So now you have y equals 7. Right, very good. Next, what do you have here? 2 plus 6x equals 1 minus x. Let's start with Adham. Adham, what do we do with Adham? What are the like terms? 6x and
6x and negative x.
excellent. Type. What is the next step, Adham? How do I combine the like terms?
I'll have to put them in one side.
Very good. So what you will do?
I'll make the 6 go to the -7, so minus 6x.
Minus 6x, right? Minus 6x
Yes.
left. Very
Ne-
good. And then
Negative 7x.
very good. So it will be negative 7x. These together will be negative 7x.
X.
On the right hand side, they will cancel. So you will still have just 2.
The
And
2
1
and 1.
minus 7x as it is. Continue.
I'll make the 1 go to the 2.
Very good. So minus 1 left, minus 1 right. And then 2 minus 1.
It will 1.
1. And these will cancel. 1 minus 1 is 0. So 1 equals
Equals negative 7x.
1 equals negative 7x. Very good. Right. So again, Adham, what happened? Negative 6, negative 6. These cancel. So
Yes.
negative 1, negative 6 is negative 7. And I still have the 1. Here I still have the 2. Minus 1, minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. And you still have negative 7x. Now the last step.
I'll have to get rid of the 7 and negative 7.
So divide
by negative 7.
Divide by negative 7 right. Divide by negative 7 left.
7 left.
Very good. And then what will happen?
This will be
This will be cancelled.
yes. X equal negative 1 over 7.
Negative 1 over 7. Right. So this is 7.1. Any questions?
Yes,
Mr. Yes.
Do I need to the decimal form of the fraction?
لا خلاص, leave it as it is. Okay.
Okay, thank you, Mr.
Right. ماشي. 2 over 3x plus 1 over 3 equals 1 over 3x plus 2 over 3. So in this question we have fractions. Right. ماشي. What is the fraction that you have 3 in the denominator? How do I get rid of it? Let's think. If I have 1 over 3, for example, when I multiply it by what to get rid of the denominator? Multiply by 3. Why? Because 3 is divisible by 3. So 3 divided 3 is just 1. 1 times 1 is 1 as it is. Right. Let's see the other fraction you have also. 2 over 3. The same thing. You should multiply by the same number. So times 3. What will happen? The 3 will cancel with 3. 2 times 1 is just 2 is just 2. So the right hand side will be multiplied by, what did you multiply with? 3. The left hand side also will be multiplied with 3. Now we were going to use the code DCI. Distribute, combine, isolate. So step by step. 3 times 2 over 3. 3 times 1 over 3. And the same thing here. 3 times 2 over 3. 3 times 1 over 3. Fine. Very good. 3 times 2 over 3. We have just said 3 times 2 over 3 is 2. So يلا Sultan, it is 2x plus 3 times 1 over 3 is what is 3 times 1 over 3, Sultan? It's just 1. So plus 1 equals 3 times 1 over 3 again 1x. 1x plus 3 times 2 over 3 is just 2. Right. Now I went back to 7.1. I just got rid of the fraction by multiplying everything by 3. So what I will do, Yasin? What are the like terms, Yasin? Yasin Ayman? I have 2x here and an x here. These are the like terms. So this will move to the left with positive or negative. It was positive. So it will
Negative.
move with negative, bro. So negative x left hand side, and also we should subtract an x from the right hand side. what will happen? 2x minus x is just 1x plus 1 equals x minus x cancelled. So you just have 2. X plus 1 equals 2. Again, this one will move to the right with, it was positive, so it will move with
Negative.
negative 1, and I still have a negative 1 at the end. So 1 minus 1 is 0. X equals 2 minus 1 is just 1. So
2.
x equals what? X equals 1. Right. Very good. Now let's move next. Let's ask Ali. Here, ya Ali, you have Ali 4 over 7 y minus 2 equals 3 over 7 y plus 3 over 14. Now, what are the fractions that you have? Actually, I have 3 fractions. I have 3 fractions. What are these 3 fractions? This is my question. What are these 3 fractions? We have Ali 4 over 7. I also have 3 over 7. And the last thing is 3 over 14. Fine. 4 over 7, it must be multiplied by a number that's divisible by 7 and divisible by 14. طيب Sultan is raising hand. Yes, Sultan.
Mister, you way too fast. I don't understand the last question.
The last question is Sultan.
Hello.
طيب, no problem. Let's repeat the last question. Look at the second question is Sultan. It is similar to the previous one. Think with me, Sultan. What are the fractions that you have? 4 over 7, 3 over 7 and
3 over 14.
3 over 14. We want a number, Sultan, that's divisible by 7 and also divisible by 14. A number divisible by 7 and also divisible by 14. What is this number?
2.
2. Can I divide 2 divided 7? No. So not 2. What about 7? 7 divided 7 is divisible by 7. Yes, 7 divided 7 is 1. But can
Yes.
I divide 7 by 14? No.
Yes.
7 by 14, I can't. It will be a fraction also, because 7 is smaller than 14. So 7 is not the number. But what about 14, ya Sultan? What about 14? 14 divided 7 is what?
7.
2. 14 divided 7 is just 2. So 14 divided 7 is 2. 2 times 4, 8. يلا, multiply by 14 again. 14 divided 7, ya Sultan?
2.
2 times 3.
6.
Very good. Multiply by 14. Yup. Everything should be multiplied by the same number. 14 divided 14 is
1.
1. 1 times 3,
3.
3. Very good. So you multiplied the left hand side by 14, and you multiplied also the right hand side by 14. Yup, let's do the distribution. D C I. So 14 times 4 over 7, we have just said 14 times 4 over 7 is just 8. So 8y minus 14 times 2, ya Sultan.
Yeah, Mister.
What is 14 times 2?
14 times 2 is 28.
Is 28. Very good. Equals 3 over 7y times 14. We have just did it. 3 over 7 times 14 is
6.
6. So this is 6y. Very good. Plus 3 over 14 times 14. I've just said
3.
this. 3. Very good. So this is 3y. But without y. Does it have a y? Does it have a y?
It doesn't have a 1.
So we'll not write the y. So just 3. Very good. Right. Now we will solve the question normally. So what are the like terms? 8y and 6y. What you will do if you want? Subtract 6y right, subtract 6y left. Well, 6y minus 6y cancelled.
0.
8y minus 6y is
2y.
2y minus what do you still have? 28 equals what is on the right hand side? Just 3. Well, next. 2y minus 28 equals 3. I want to isolate now. Isolate the letters from the numbers. So 2y minus 28. This 28 can move to the right with, it was negative, so it will move with Ahmed Hazem. Plus it will move with Ahmed.
Mr. There's a problem.
Yes,
I can't see the numbers. You're right.
you can see the screen
Yes.
here. Can you see it now?
Do I leave and join again?
Yes, please. Leave and join again, but you can see. خلاص? So now, negative 28 will cancel the positive 28. So what do you have now? 2y equals 3 plus 28, which is 31. Divide by 2 left. Divide by 2 right. What will happen? Y equals 31 divided 2 is 15.5. Long division, we'll get it 15.5. Right. So again, what happened here in this question? I have 3 fractions, 4 over 7, 3 over 7, and 3 over 14. I want a number. When I multiply it by all these fractions, I want to get rid of all the denominators. How do I think what is the number that's divisible by 7 and also at the same time divisible by 14? This is my question. So what is this number? If we thought of 7, 7 is divisible by 7, yes. But is it divisible by 14? No. So I should think of another number. What about 14? Yes. 14 divided 7 is 2. 14 divided 14 is 1. So it's divisible by the 7 and the 14. And then we multiply both sides by 14. Distribute, combine the like terms, the y's together and the numbers together. And finally, you get y equals 15.5. Questions? Questions here.
مستر أنا مش فاهم.
Salah. طيب, look يا Salah. I've just joined. So look with me يا Salah. I will get a new board كده and solve with me يا Salah. Okay? Now, 3
Okay.
over 5 y plus let's say 4 equals 1 over 2 y plus 2. Okay, can you see the screen?
Yes, yeah.
طيب, very good. يلا يا صلاح, what are the fractions that you have? 3 over 5 and
1 over 2.
very good. I want a number يا صلاح that's divisible by 5 and at the same time divisible by 2. What would this number be?
10.
Number divisible by 5 and 2. If I don't know a number mentally, you can do it mathematically. 5 times 2 is
10.
10.
10.
And also we will multiply here by 10. طيب.
Yeah.
Divide يا صلاح, يلا. 10 divided 5.
2.
Excellent. 2 times 3.
6.
Good job, برافو. يلا. 10 divided 2.
5.
برافو. 5 times 1.
5.
Also 5. Very good. So what happened here, Salah? I multiplied the left hand side with 10, and I also multiplied
10.
the right hand side with
10.
also 10. يلا. Distribute. خلاص?
10 times 3.
10 times 3 over 5. I just did it. I've just done it. It is
6.
6. 6y plus 10 times 4.
40.
Bravo. Equals half times 10.
يبقى 5y
Excellent. Plus
20.
Bravo. Very good يا صلاح. طيب, يلا. Continue. Where are the like terms?
هتجيب 5y and 6y.
These are the like terms, so subtract 5y from the right, subtract
بس علق
5y from the left. Okay?
يبقى 1y.
6y minus 5y, bro, just 1y. Plus, what do you have?
40.
Equals 5 minus 5, these are cancelled. خلاص, صح؟
أيوه.
يلا,
يبقى
equals
plus 20.
20. يلا,
And
5 plus 40 equals 20. Continue.
We will subtract by 40. Subtract by 40.
Subtract 40, subtract 40. Why? Because I want to isolate. I want to get rid of this 40. So this one moved to the right. 20 minus 40.
Negative 20. يبقى
Negative 20.
negative.
Very good.
Y equal negative 20.
Excellent. So y equals negative 20. Any questions?
Negative 20.
So we multiplied everything by 10 first,
سهل.
and then we solve the question. خلاص؟ Got it يا
أيوة
صلاح?
خلاص.
Clear?
أيوة فهمت.
Excellent. طيب. Now 4.5 W equals 5.1 W minus 30. طيب. Ahmed Hazem, you were asking about decimals يا Ahmed. So now, how do I get rid of this decimal يا Ahmed? Huh? Multiply by just one decimal place.
multiply by 10.
Multiply by 10. Bravo. So here is times 10. Excellent. And the left hand side also multiply by 10. Why? Because there is one decimal place after the point. So 10 times 4.5 is 45. W equals 10 times 5.1. What is 10 times 5.1?
10.1.
Take care. How do we multiply?
لا
How do we multiply
50.1.
5.1 times
50.1.
this decimal will move one step to the right. So it will become
50.
51 W minus 30 times 10.
30 times 10 equals 300.
300. Very good. You'll continue. What do you have?
مثلا المايك بتاعي مش شغال.
Sorry. Again, يا أحمد. So we want to combine now. We want to combine the like terms.
Negative 51W.
Very good. So you will subtract 51W from both sides, correct? Minus
Yes.
1W minus 51W. As if it moved to the left. So these are cancelled. 45 minus 51.
Negative 6W.
Negative 6W. Excellent. Equals?
Negative 300.
Excellent.
Negative 6.
Divide by?
Negative 6.
Because it is multiplication. So we divide by negative 6. Left, divide by negative 6 right. What will happen now? It is W equals negative divided negative, positive. 300 divided 6. What is 30 divided 6?
30 divided 6.
Huh?
5.
30 divided 6 is 5. And you still have a 0 of 300. So it is 50.
50.
W equals
50.
Easy. Type. Excellent. Yeah. Now let's move to the other question. Here you have another decimal question. Who would love to answer? Raise your hand if you want.
Can I please do it?
أنا يا مستر أنا.
Just raise hand يا صلاح, not أنا. Adham is raising hand. يلا.
I can't find the raise hand button.
Oh. I have Omar Tariq also. So, sorry. So let's start with Adham. So multiply by?
I think I'll need to multiply by 10.
Excellent. Multiply by 10 right, multiply by 10 left. How do we know يا Adham? Because
of the
we
one
want to
decimal
move the
place.
decimal point one step to the
To the
right.
right.
This is a number. So 10 times negative 0.8, 10 times negative 8. And also 10 times 0.2. طب يلا. Multiply 10 times 0.8.
Be negative 8a.
Negative 8a. Excellent. What happened يا Adham? Negative 0.8. When I multiply by 10, the decimal point moved one step to the right.
Yeah.
So it became
8
negative 8. Negative 8a minus 10 times 8.
negative 8 minus 80.
Negative 8.
يا مستر ياسين أيمن قال لي روش.
0.2 times 10.
2a.
Will be 2a. Okay, fine. The question now is, I want to combine the like terms. What are the combined like terms?
مثلا المايك بتاعي مش شغال. 8a and 2a.
Add 8a left. Add
And
8a right. Okay? As if you move the negative 8a to the right. Fine. Cancelled. So negative 80 equals
80
2 plus
equal
8.
10a.
10a. Very good. Divide by
10.
Divide by 10 right. Divide by 10 left. Yup. Cancelled. Negative 80 divided 10. Negative 8 equals.
Negative 8 equal a.
Very good. Excellent. Yeah. Thank you. طيب.
Thank you.
عمر طارق. Omar, what is the fraction that you have now, ya Omar?
2/3.
2/3. How do I get rid of it? Multiply by
Multiply by
Hmm.
multiply by 10.
Take care, ya
One.
Omar. I want to get rid of the denominator.
Oh, 3. 3.
Multiply by
3.
excellent. So 3 divided 3 is just
It's just
1.
1.
3 is just 1. And 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 2 is 2. So we will multiply the whole equation with 3. The left hand side here times 3. The right hand side also
Minus 3.
times 3. Very good. Yalla, let's do it. 3 times 3. We just said 3 times 2/3 is just 2. And you still have n minus 6
Minus
equals. Yeah. This 3 is multiplied by 43 one time and multiplied by 5n another time. So 3 times 5.
ممكن تكون مثلا المية بتمشي
times
شغال
12.
So it is 15n minus 43 times 3.
63 times 3.
What is 43 times 3? Let's multiply. 3 times 3,
3 times 3.
9. 3 times 4,
12.
12. Excellent. So it is 129. Very good. Now, I want to distribute. Look, we have D, C, I. So, distribute, combine, wake Salah. So, to combine the before I combine, I should distribute first. So, distribute, ya Omar, 2 times n and 2 times
6.
-6. 2 times n,
2 times n equals 2n.
2n minus 2 times 6
2 times 6, 12.
is 12. Very good. Right. So now we will have equals 15n
Equals 15n minus negative
129. Very good. Right. You'll combine the like terms 2n and 15.
15.
You'll solve your own. What will happen?
Negative 2n.
Left,
And
negative 2n. Right. Very good. So these will
First,
cancel. What do you still have? Negative 12 equals
negative 12 equals 120.
just a second. 15n minus 12n is
أو يا مستر أنا إزاي أرفع إيدي؟
13n.
raise hand. 3n. 15 minus 2 is what? What's
13n.
15 minus 2?
13.
13n, bravo, minus
129.
excellent, very good. And then, what do
And
you
then-
have?
Then positive 12 and positive 12.
Look, we have to isolate. So I have 13n minus 29. So we need to move the 129. It was negative, so it will move here with positive 129. Okay, positive 129 equals 13n. But the last step, Omar, divide by what?
Divide by 13.
Divide by 13 left, divide by 13 right. So cancel. 129 divided 13. 129 divided by 13. Yalla. What is the closest number to this? What is 13 times 10?
13 times 10.
Is 130. We want a number that's less than this one. So what about
13 times 9.
times 9? 9 times 13, 27. So 7 and carry up to 9.
9 times 1.
11, 117. So now we have 9 times 15 is 117.
17.
9 minus 7, 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. So it is 12. Let's check that's what we did. Quickly, Omar. We multiplied everything by 3, correct?
Yes.
Became 2n minus 6 equals 15n minus 129. So how did I get 129? I just multiplied by 3. 3 times 3, 9. 3 times 4, 12. Very good. Like 2n minus 12 equals 15n minus 129. Subtract 2 left, subtract 2 right. So it became negative 12 equal 13 n minus 129. Okay, but this negative moved here was positive. But take care بقى, take care here, take care here. We didn't subtract. So there's a mistake here. Look here in this step. We should have done what? Look here. Let me take the pen. Here you have positive 129, correct?
Yes.
So we should subtract here first 129 minus 12. So 9 minus 2 is 7. 2 minus 1 is 1. So it is
117.
117. So here is 117 equals 13n. And now you can do the long division. So 117 divided by 13. This is the question. And we have just said that 13 times 9 is
117.
117. 9 times 3, 27. 7 and carry up 2. 9 times 1 is 9, plus 2 is 11. So we have here 9 times 15 is 117. Subtract. So the answer is
9.
n equals 9. Why? Because I divided by 15, right? And I divided by 15 left. So n equals 9. Close? Right. Very good. In this question, thank you, Omar. Who wants to solve? We have Yasin Amr. Right. Yasin Amr is raising hand. Yes, Yasin. Now, Yasin, we want to start distributing. This negative 3, Yasin, will
We
be distributed with
the time multiply it by the 2y and the negative 3.
very good. So 3 times 2.
It's gonna be 6y, negative 6y.
Right. And then you have negative 3 times negative 2.
Negative
Sorry.
6.
Sorry, negative 3 times
Wait,
negative
negative 9, negative 9.
positive, because similar signs are
Oh, so
positive 9. And you still have here what's at the beginning?
2y.
And you still have here plus 2 equals 31.
We can
Right.
add the 2y minus 6y.
6y is negative 4y
Y.
plus 9
And
plus 2
we
is
can add 9 plus 2 equals 11.
excellent, equals
31.
31. This will move to the right.
With negative 31
Next.
minus 11
Negative 11, very
equals
good.
20.
Excellent. This is 20 equals negative 4y. Okay, gotta divide y.
It's gonna be negative 5.
Excellent. Divide by negative 4. Divide by negative 4. So y equals
Negative 5.
excellent. Excellent, Yasin. And that's it. Any questions?
No.
Right. Very good. We still have here some distributing questions. خلاص. 8 times negative 1 plus m.
Mister, I want to solve.
صلاح raise your hand يا صلاح. يلا. So this one, I would like you to do this as homework, خلاص, and you will show it to me in school إن شاء الله Sunday. خلاص. طيب. Here it is the same idea of 7.2, but you will just change the f with 6.05. So 6.05, because this is the fair, equals 2.25 plus 0.2 m minus 1. Okay, you will solve this as you solve in 7.2 in the fractions. And the same idea here. The second question, you will do another question for the other situation. The f also, this is the taxi fare. Okay, and this is the taxi fare, which is the f. So 7.65 equals, what do you have here? The rest of the equation, $2.25 plus 0.2 m minus 1. Very good. And then you will solve multiply by what? What I will multiply with يا صلاح؟ ها 7.65. I should multiply by what?
ايه يا مستر
7.65. With what you should multiply with? 10 or 100?
ثانية يا مستر
لا, you have to place
بس
it
مش
in
عارف.
the decimal point. So you should multiply
100 يا مستر عشان نخليها 700 100
multiply by 100 left, and you also multiply by 100 right. Very good. And then it will become like this. 705 equals 225 plus 20. 0.2 times 100. What is 0.2 times 100? 1, 2. So it becomes 20. So here is 20, and you still have m minus 1. Distribute yourself. 20 with m, 20 with -1. So it will be
ايه يا مستر
distribute 20 times m.
20 times m equal 20 m
Excellent. Minus 20 times 1.
ونيجاتيف 20
negative.
نيجاتيف 20
Very good. What do you still have? 220.
225 equal 765
Good job. يلا. We'll move with
minus يبقى
minus
نيجاتيف يا مستر
minus or negative 225, correct?
يبقى
ها.
يا مستر يبقى 0 4 5 440 540
Very good. Equals 20 m.
20 m
يلا برافو.
20 m minus 20
Good
يا
job.
مستر معلم
Continue.
minus 20
لا, add. We want to add 20, right? And add.
يبقى add 560
Excellent. Equals 20 m, correct?
equals 560
Hmm.
divided by negative 20
لا, just 20.